Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about MD Solid software. So I have selected this MD Solid software. In this MD Solid software we have two determinate beams. We have to select that determinate beams to calculate SFD and BMD of the beam. So as shown in the blog, we have considered a simply supported beam. There are three options here, that is simply supported and overhanging beam. We can select it by changing its input conditions from the left support and the right support. There is another one, that is cantilever beam with the left support and the cantilever beam with the right support. So we have selected the simply supported beam as shown in the blog. If you haven't checked that blog, then link is in description. You can check it at msbtexams.blogspot.com. So the same example we are taking here. So first of all we will click it here. So after that we will select the total beam length as 5 meter, and I will consider it in meter. There are a lot of units given here. 4 units are given here: inches, feet, and meter. So I will consider it in meter. So left support is at extreme zero condition, so because it is simply supported beam, so I will not change the left support. And the location of the right support is at extreme right condition, and the total beam length is 5 meter. So I will consider it as 5 meter because it is a simply supported beam. So after pressing enter, this window will open in front of you. So this is the free body diagram, that is load diagram, and you can see here that there are also given different units that are inches, feet, and meter. So we have considered it in meter. So this is left support at zero condition, and the right support is at a 5 meter coordinate. So first of all we will take the downward load. There are certain loading conditions are given in the input. This is the input and this is the output module. You have as you can see on the screen. So in the input module there are certain things you can do with the output module, that is upward load you can place here, a downward load also, the upward UDL, downward UDL, then UVL you can place upward and downward, then clockwise and anti-clockwise movement you can place. But for example, for taking consideration SFD and BMD, we have taken a simple example. So that is the concentrated load downward we will select, and we will consider its coordinate. So for considering its coordinate, the MD Solid software is considering the coordinates from the left side only. So from the left side we will consider it at 2.5 meter, that is the median of this beam. So at the center we will consider it as 2.5 meter. So and the load magnitude, it will also ask for the load magnitude. So I will consider it as a 10 kilonewton randomly. You can take it upon the problem, depending upon the problem. There are also 4 units, that is pound, kilopascal, newton and kilonewton. I will consider it as a kilonewton. So by pressing enter, this is the free body diagram which is generated, that 10 kilonewton load is shown at the 2.5 meter. Here you can see, and also on the bottom of the free body diagram, this is the shear diagram, SFD. You can call it as SFD, shear force diagram, or shear diagram. You can call it whatever you want. So this is the shear force diagram or shear diagram, and at the bottom this is the bending moment diagram. By the use of the MD solids, you can simply generate it by simple easy clicks, and this automatic calculator will calculate you and give the values of the left side support, left side shear force at the AB condition, right side support at the AB conditions, as like that. So MD Solids is the good software which you can use to calculate the SFD and BMD. And also there is one advanced option that you can calculate the slope and deflection diagram. So it will ask for a flexural modulus of EI. So I will consider it as the standard flexural modulus of EI, 2280 kilonewton per meter square, and I will press OK. So it will give you the slope in radians. So if you want in radians, you can take it in radians, or if you want in degrees, you can change it here in degrees. It will change it here in degrees. I will consider it in radians. And also for the deflection diagram, that is the how much amount of deflection can we observe by this then we will consider it in the, it will be shown in the deflection diagram. So in the deflection diagram it is shown in inches, I will consider it in mm. So as per the units, the numeric value will change. So this is all about MD solids, how you can use to determine the different kinds of SFD and BMD with the help of the MD solids. So I think this video will be useful to you. You can change it whether you want as per your the loading conditions. You can change it depending upon whatever you want, like this you can consider UDL, you can consider downward UDL, upward UDL, UVL movement you can consider. So thanks for watching. It will help you in calculating all the values at just 4 to 5 easy steps. Thank you. All the links are given in the description. You can check our website, our blog, and also we have given a downloading link on the description. You can check it now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.